In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily install and activate your simfly eSIM for Android, step by step. First, what you'll need: an eSIM-compatible phone, an internet connection, and the confirmation email from simfly. If you can't find the email, please check your spam folder. After your purchase, you'll receive an email with 3 important items: a link to your eSIM, your access code, and a QR code. Open that email now, copy the access code, and tap the link to your eSIM. This opens your simfly plan page. Here you'll see your data allowance, validity period, covered countries or regions, and clear installation instructions. You'll also see your QR code. Take a quick screenshot of the QR code so it's saved to your photos. You'll use it in a moment. Now for Android installation, names can vary by brand, but the steps are the same. Open Settings and search for Connections, SIMs, or SIM Manager. Find and tap Add eSIM. Choose Scan QR Code. You can scan the QR from another screen or pick the QR screenshot from your gallery. If you see Enter Activation Code or Enter Details manually, you can paste the access code from your email instead of scanning the QR code if you prefer, or if the QR doesn't work. Confirm to add the eSIM and now set simfly as your mobile data SIM. Important: you have to enable data roaming for the simfly eSIM for it to work. A quick reminder: you can install your eSIM before you travel, but it connects only once you arrive in the destination country. So don't worry if you don't see a signal until you land. If your phone doesn't connect automatically after arrival, here's a fast checklist. Number 1, restart your phone. Number 2, make sure mobile data is set to the simfly eSIM and data roaming is enabled for simfly. Number 3, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off again. Number 4, open your SIM settings and confirm the simfly eSIM is turned on. Number 5, if needed, try manual network selection in your destination. Good to know, your existing phone number and WhatsApp stay the same. simfly adds a travel data plan. No physical SIM swap and no phone number change required. That's it. You've installed and activated your simfly eSIM. Enjoy data in over 200 countries and regions, with no store visits and no roaming surprises. If you need help at any point, visit simfly.cc for our FAQs or message our WhatsApp support.